Welcome to Saturday day in my life, you guys. I'm taking you along for the full day today because we're leaving for Vegas tomorrow, and I thought I'd bring you along my prep. I need to film part of a video. I actually cannot speak. Recently filmed a video at Walmart. I recreated some of Bella Hadid's outfits, but I have to film the other half of it today. I need to do my makeup and my hair Bella style for this video. I'm just kind of filling in my pores with the Sephora collection pore stick. She, like Bella, wears pretty natural makeup, so I'm gonna try and keep it kind of light and glowy. She obviously has just like perfect skin, so she doesn't have to try very hard. I think because of that, I'm gonna do the IT Cosmetics CC cream mixed with a little bit of my Dior Backstage foundation, just because the color is tan. Next is concealer. You guys already know my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer is my favorite. Very full coverage, but nice and hydrating and like moisturizing, which I love. I'm gonna go a little lighter on the concealer today because, again, Bella is more on the natural side, and I'm just gonna brush that out with my Sephora Collection Pro Airbrush 57. And I always like to add a little pop of a really, really light concealer just for a little bit of brightness right here. And I just kind of bounce it in that area with the Beauty Blender, and it really brightens the under eye area, if you can see that. Just do like a little light sweep of powder. I'm gonna do a little setting spray right now. This is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is the Nude Sticks in Bondi Bay. It's a cream bronzer stick. Oh boy. Hunter doing some yard work. I'm gonna take it on a brush, actually. Brush I used for my foundation. To do a little cream highlighter. Sorry, Hunter is whacking weeds in the backyard. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I love this stuff. Favorite cream highlighter ever. And I just kind of blend it around on my hand to like spread it out, and then I take my Beauty Blender and then I just bounce it on. See? Oh, so pretty. Okay, I think for blush, I'm actually gonna take my Dior Glow palette and just kind of mix the pink and bronzy shade together and lightly sweep it over the cheeks. All right, and then let's take the brown shade from the Dior palette and kind of go over that, so. Favorite mascara is Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Put a coat of that. Okay, so for lips, I'm just gonna wipe off any foundation that might be on my lips. And Bella tends to do a little bit of a warmer color, so I'm gonna go in with MAC Strip Down Liner and Laura Mercier Opal Lip Gloss, and I think it'll be perfect. Actually kind of digging the matte lip. It looks super 90s, which I feel like is very Bella. So I might keep it like this. And then let's go do hair. That's gonna be the fun part. Okay, so Bella typically wears, I've been seeing her wear this like side part lately that is very like early 2000s, kind of 90s. My hair is a little greasy, which actually probably works to my advantage, but I do want to put a little bit of dry shampoo in it before I start, just so that it doesn't look super thin. This is the way I dry shampoo. I am on second day hair right now, and I have super fine thin hair, so it really can't go that long without getting super greasy. Next thing I'm gonna need is some extensions. I'm gonna add these in for volume, or else I will literally have the smallest bun because my hair is super fine and thin, and I wanna kind of clip it up like this, like how she usually has it. So I'm gonna add a few wefts. The extensions that I use are from The Hair Shop. They have so many colors. I love their extensions so much, and I wear these usually on an everyday basis just to add a little bit of fullness for my hair. So I'm gonna put some in the back, but let me just get my part in order. So first, I'm gonna do kind of a deep side part. I feel like she almost like has it parted like here. I'm gonna put that all back in the clip really quickly. Actually, I'm gonna take some of the OUAI finishing cream. This is really good for like slick Bella Hadid buns for sure. Take a little bit and rub it in my hands and kind of slick it down. And I want to use like one of these brushes so I can like really get it down. She has it like behind her ear. Slicked. Okay, I'm also going to do a little hairspray. Bumble and Bumble Stronghold hairspray. And then the back I feel like isn't as slicked. It's kind of like more textured, so it's good we put the dry shampoo in there. I'm going to clip in my extensions really quick, so. I've clipped in the extensions and I've just really smoothed this out with this brush. I feel like this is key, is like the brush with the small bristles to kind of get it slicked. And I think I'm gonna put like a ponytail in it first. I take the hair tie out and we're gonna twist it. And hers is like a bun at the top, kind of like that. There we go, that's more like it. I think I like that. It looked way better on her, but you know, we'll go with it. Okay, so I've got to get to filming this video and I will show you guys a little peek of some of the outfits because I freaking found some good stuff at Walmart. Ooh, I'm loving this look, you guys. So 90s, I can't even believe it. Okay, let's go. Oh, hey buddy. Hey little guy. Hi, Bubba. Here's a little sneak preview of the video. Fun fact, I really wanted cycling shorts, but I couldn't find like traditional cycling shorts at Walmart. And these are actually like shaper shorts and they're like $3. I just finished filming the video and taking a little break. Hunter is making us some green juice because we're trying to be healthy. Did you use the OUAI shampoo and conditioner?
I did.
Smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the clean?
I've washed my hair, this is my first time to wash my hair in 3 weeks.
Yeah, Hunter doesn't really wash his hair that often because it kind of messes up the texture, and as a guy, he just wants it kind of like rough and undone. So he doesn't wash it as often as me, but
yeah,
we just tried out the new clean shampoo from the OUAI.
So good.
Health. Side tip for green juice.
Always clean up when you're done, right when you're done. Clean up the juice, all the pulp, otherwise it'll have the smell. Mm-hmm. And we usually just throw it in a paper bag and use it for compost. I'm kind of like, I don't know, counteracting everything because I'm drinking a juice alongside of a margarita. I put up a poll. Have you seen this poll thing? How you can use this on Instagram? You can do like quizzes. I put up, can you guess the celebrity that I'm recreating? And everyone's guessing Hailey Bieber. Okay, we're gonna use the OUAI leave-in conditioner on Hunter's ends so they get really dry. So this is honestly, I've talked about this before, but it's like my favorite thing to do before trips is to plan out every single one of my looks so that I don't overpack. So these are some of the things that I'm probably going to be styling for Vegas. Even like airport outfit stuff I am pulling over here. My next step is, I have like a lot of basics and stuff too. So these are just like the hero pieces. So pretty much. Oh my God. What are you doing?
I'm styling my outfits for Vegas.
Why are you wearing my shirt?
Because I'm cold. What I like to do is go through and write a list of every single time of the day that I will need an outfit for. So starting with the airplane, I'll need an airplane outfit, need a pool day outfit when I arrive, an evening outfit for that night, and you can write out all your entire itinerary and all of the events that you're doing for when you would want an outfit change. And then you have a list of everything you need an outfit for, and you can go one by one by one and start to style all of your looks. Okay, taking a pause from packing to go get some sushi and drop off the dog. Actually wearing a lot of my Walmart pieces because I legit really like them. This is a little Walmart Fruit of the Loom like bralette top. The jeans are men's Walmart, and so is the belt. It's like a little butterfly belt. And then this little silk shirt is from Zara, just wearing it kind of open. And my chunky boots from Nasty Gal. So that's the look for dinner, and still just have my same hair and makeup from earlier, obviously.
What do you think?
So good.
It was really good.
This blazer is a beige dream. I've been really wanting an oversized blazer. Okay, I'm gonna try that on. Okay, I'm finding so many cute blazers at H&M. This one is a size 6, so it's super oversized, but really cute nude, and it looks like perfect with this outfit right here. I'm obsessed. We just left the mall. I'm so hot, I had to take my shirt off.
Success.
Success, and
Grabbed a few items.
Grabbed a few items for the trip, and we're headed home now. We have to pack our full suitcases and get up at like 5 a.m. So I don't know why we did this to ourselves, but we gotta get to packing. So I got this hoodie, and it's like a really nice nude mocha color. That's why I liked it. I got it in a size large.
Oh, I like that.
What?
That
This?
hoodie.
Yeah. Oh, so comfy. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, such a good color. Okay, you guys, I am mostly packed for the most part, no pun intended, but I'm going to finish up. It is super late, it's like midnight, and we are off to Vegas really early. Like, we need to be up in 5 hours, so I'm basically screwed. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the Vegas vlogs coming next, and I love you.